I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python language at home. Start with the fundamentals. Install Python directly from python.org, ensuring you get the most recent stable release. Next, choose a comfortable coding environment. Many beginners find Visual Studio Code or PyCharm excellent choices. Dive into basic syntax, understanding how variables store information, different data types, and performing simple arithmetic operations. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex programs. Once set up, focus on core concepts. Grasp control flow using if-else statements to make decisions and loops to repeat tasks. Functions are vital for organizing your code into reusable blocks, making programs more efficient. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to solving small coding challenges. This reinforces learning and builds problem-solving skills. Next, delve into Python's powerful data structures. Master lists for ordered collections, dictionaries for key-value pairs, and tuples for immutable sequences. Python's rich ecosystem includes libraries like NumPy, essential for numerical computing. Learn how to import and effectively use these modules to extend your program's capabilities, saving significant development time. The best way to solidify your learning is by building projects. Start with simple applications, perhaps a calculator or a text-based game. Engage with the vibrant Python community online. Platforms like Stack Overflow offer immense support. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's an excellent way to gain practical experience and collaborate with other developers, accelerating your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.